My name is Destiny Oka, and I'm in SS1. I learned about the instruments needed to perform this practical.
It's up to 2 minutes, so let's take the temperature of the water now. Going to increase. So let's take the reading. Can see that it is increasing now. Then it was 48 before. Now it is 58 now, going to 59. So now let's tell it to get the temperature of the mixture. Let's tell it now to get the highest temperature of the mixture. So we are letting 60 here, 60 degrees Celsius. It's up to 60 degrees now, let's see. So now the temperature of the mixture is what now? Is 60 what? 60 degrees Celsius.
Welcome to India First Academy, a place of fun, life transformation, and quality teaching. Today's physics practical was conducted by a physics specialist who taught the students on temperature and its measurement.
Okay, now welcome to physics practical class. I'm talking about temperature and its measurement as well. So now today I want to talk about how to use thermometer using the water or beaker, containers of water. We also have the triple stand, we also have the wire gauge, we also have the spirit lamp as well. So this is the thermometer. It's called a glass in water tubes. So they are provided with a regular stand, triple stand, beaker, and bouncing burner. But without bouncing burner, we really have spirit lamp, which can be used as well. So the first thing is we are asked to measure the temperature of the water with thermometer, depth thermometer, and also with the stopwatch. Every 2 minutes interval. And once it's between 2 minutes, then can take the measure of the water. The beaker contains water. So let's check the temperature of the initial temperature of the water first. So I check the temperature of the water initially. So what we have here is the temperature increase from 53 to 54. That's temperature of the water increased to 54 degrees Celsius. Now this one is before we apply it on the beaker. So once we apply it on the beaker now, means that the temperature is going to increase as well. So let's adjust it now. So applying it on the beaker, we're going to set the stopwatch in 2 minutes interval. So once it's 2 minutes, we stop it and we check the temperature. It means that the temperature of the water is going to be increasing. So let's check it first. So the wash is already set. So we're going to have the temperature of the water within 2 minutes. When it's 2 minutes, then we stop it. Then we take the reading.
My name is Opute Confidence. I'm in SS1. What I learned from my physics practical is the equipment used in the practical. I learned about the triple stand, the benzene, the beaker, and so on and so forth. I learned how to measure in mercury. I learned how to measure in water, and I learned how to measure in spirit. So thank you.
It's up to 2 minutes. So let's take the temperature of the water now. It's going to increase. So let's take the reading. Can see that it is increasing now. Then it was 48 before. Now it's 58 now, going to 59. So now let's tell it to get the temperature of the mixture. Let's tell it now to get the highest temperature of the mixture. So we are letting 60 here, 60 degrees Celsius. It's up to 60 degrees now. Let's see. So now the temperature of the mixture is what now? Is 60 degrees Celsius. That means that we're going to write down the value down. That is 60 degrees Celsius.
My name is Destiny Oka, and I'm in SS1. I learned about the instruments needed to perform this practical, like the spirit bulb, little stand, the tripod, and the thermometer. The tripod was used to hold the beaker, while the spirit bulb was used to light the beaker, so we can get the accurate measurements of the heat of the liquid, while the thermometer was not measured the liquid to perform the experiments. Thank you.